up at all from quick play. It actually made me worse.
Yeah, probably same. Okay, for this. What did we run that one time that we stomped the team on? We played around me, I remember. We had a Zarya? I think we definitely had a Zarya.
I've almost always won Zarya run if you went run.
I think
we
went
definitely do
Widow,
Zarya,
and I went Tracer or something like that. I think we had a Tracer Widow for DPS on that. But I am not 100% sure.
You could try it.
Alright, just pick
Yeah, I've seen it run it.
Does picking the Nixel Tracer skin make me become a SVB?
It does.
Do you want to do Mercy or War instead of Mercy?
Yeah.
Wait,
No, should stick Mercy.
would Dive be stronger here? Because Dive we will make a lot more room for Widow.
Dive, yes.
I want to play her in the Widow. Remember, this is a good deathball map. Like,
Okay.
we ran deathball here and it works like really
Let's
well.
do this then.
That ball is actually really strong in the street phase.
Yeah.
First point, you need to be able to cover a wide area.
Third point especially. Third point's so strong.
Yes. But on first point, it's good to be real quick with dive. Especially since they're probably gonna run something like a Widow. Just be careful about that.
Think?
I doubt it.
Ursa Hog or something.
They usually do like a Ursa Hawk chakra on defense here.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go deep left underneath, and then go to just straight to point on the left side.
Attackers incoming.
And
Defend objective A.
Set up point.
what do they have, Whoopi?
Arista
I have a
Hog
Widow.
and a Zen.
And a Widow, yeah.
I don't know where she is. Careful, Ubi. She's playing on the main plateau.
Oh, they're on the point, like on the top of it.
Oh, that was a fucking headshot.
Play underneath her. Play right
Tracer
underneath her.
behind.
Go, go, go.
Almost one
Walk
clip me.
Just in a recall.
Hog no hook. He's half. No vape.
Oh no, babe.
Zen low. Right side.
Good Tracer. Just got a Mercy.
Charge. Zen choke.
Just got Hog.
Mercy or
Tracer
Widow
behind,
dead.
Tracer behind.
Mercy dead.
She's low.
I'm
She's
out
low.
of
No
field.
recall.
Matthews.
Sucker.
She has destroyed.
It doesn't matter.
Easy flat.
Pocket the Zen when he gets hit.
I had no heals.
You gotta like suck a good amount too, especially Tracer. You're good against Tracer in that sense.
Yo, Ubi, don't even poke when you're that low. It's not worth it.
I wasn't.
They have dive.
Chilling.
Okay,
Oh,
now
hiding.
we play super death ball.
Yo, can you
okay?
give me some charge real quick?
Yeah, hold on. Now?
Okay, thank you.
Wow. Good doing.
Wow.
Oh, that's bad ball.
Behind.
D.Va behind.
Thank you. Yep, I knew it. Fuck.
Wow, I hit recall.
Just got
That's my
Monkey.
fault.
Oh,
D.Va
no.
behind still.
I have shatter. I'm looking for it.
Oh no. Okay, it's
Oh,
okay.
that was bad.
Yeah, I should have called it.
Tracer dead.
Mercy point 1, Mercy point fire strike.
D.Va out of back. Widow top left. Above the sign.
Push up.
Yeah.
It's a baby dude that's killing me. Okay. They're not really melting much still. This is good. Widow's top. Over bridge. Over point. Over the car right now.
Just goes
Top right now.
Widow.
She's one, I think.
Still top right.
How the
Yeah,
heck?
she's low. She's half.
They.
Cap it. It doesn't matter.
Not another up there.
Monkey.
Gotta call that grab.
It's fine. We're all on point, so I don't really need to.
Wow, my
Alright,
aim
go,
sucks
baby.
right now.
Just goes down.
Those point 0 2.
Oh
dude.
my
Yikes.
I got the poop spawn.
Like, if we're all in the grab, I don't really need to call it out, you know?
We're just getting the habit.
Yeah, that's true. If you're like, look at the way Mercy's corpse is here. Look at that. Give her
See
this
nothing.
fat dick.
Okay, they have Kree. No Widow.
Freeze
I'm gonna
Fireside?
swap. I'm gonna swap then.
I have Coalescence.
I have Shatter.
What do they have?
Their monkey has Primal.
They have Diva Bomb, right?
I think they have
They
trans
have
unless
trans.
they used
Yeah, they
it.
have trans.
Do they have Valve? Do they have
Tracer's
Valve?
behind.
Yeah. Dead.
I'm getting
Fuck
on
up, Obi.
I'm gonna shatter, I'm gonna shatter, I'm gonna shatter.
I bubble.
Leave it behind.
Oh,
Fat, it's
yeah.
fat.
Give out him there.
What a fat shatter.
Back up. We don't have anything.
Nice, that's okay. We can move in off this.
They're rezzing it, of course.
That's 2 picks.
Ooh, nice.
Zen 1. Oh, Mercy 1, Mercy 1.
What the fuck? My bomb went through her.
Just push it.
Keep
Keep pushing.
Diva bottom
People
right.
on the Mega. Yeah.
I need to back up into charge shield.
I might high noon. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, I'm grabbing for it.
I got mech. Nice.
I'm hiding.
I killed him, That was insane.
Winston.
Monkey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there we go.
Tracer. McCree's back. No flash. McCree no flash.
Oh, I tried to keep you up.
McCree dead.
Discord
Diva
Zen.
on the back line. Diva in the back line. Focus if she's up to the.
You guys don't win this. Monkey, focus, monkey.
Huge.
Nice bomb. Good job.
That's good shit.
My tracer aim is not very good right now.
It's alright. It'll
One
get
clip.
there.
Yeah, that was good.
Score.
Any misplays there? Dude?
Switching sides.
Say any misplay. I think the misplay.
Yeah, OP. What was that grapple to the envy team?
I'll just put her up there. That's really all it was. I thought it was just her and she was really low.
Okay,
My bad.
here
Loved
we
it.
can do Roadhog, Lucio, or
You need a
Zamora.
tanky frontline, but dude.
Yeah, and then a Junkrat.
Yeah.
So Upi goes Hog, and then.
Also,
Oh.
Bodhi, you try to play too aggressively away from your team when you like both of your support are like either low heal or like you need to be close to him. Be careful about that.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like, Liz cannot follow you into the fight.
Yeah.
Really.
I mean, it's good
Yeah.
to when like they dive us, so he takes advantage of their open backline at the same time.
Like, yeah.
make
It's
sure
not,
you
it's
can
not a
get
bad
back, though.
decision,
Yeah.
but
Well,
be,
and
be careful about like your health bar.
Yeah, no. I sometimes what I like try to do is if I can get the kill on one of the supports, it's great. But the main focus is trying to pull the healers away from the tanks and
You
the
just-
DPS.
Like, keep in mind that the main tank is one of the biggest pick you can ever get to
Yes.
begin a team fight.
There we go.
30 seconds.
Gotcha.
Value
Yeah.
your life more, Chad.
What?
We just
Live your life more, Chad.
Try not to
Okay.
be that suicidal.
Yeah.
XD. Alright.
I mean, I feel like I wasn't.
Overall, it wasn't bad.
yeah.
Like I didn't charge into the enemy
And
team
I'll
at
try
all.
to call my
Like,
grab out.
sometimes
Even
just,
if it's
5.
Like that charge when you grab and they trans, and then McCree High Noon, I charged them out of it. That was like.
That was
probably-
good, I saw
Yeah,
that.
that was good.
Defend objective A.
If he pulled the trigger a second sooner, they might have killed us.
yeah.
Watch for a widow. Hey, they're going right side, bottom right.
We're running Junkrat, okay.
Gonna dive.
Back up to point. We just play point.
Tracer went left, so she might be going all the way around.
No, the right side.
Okay.
Tracer's left.
I'm shielding.
Tracer behind.
Behind
Zen
you.
got cut off, Zen got cut off. Zen right side cut off.
I need to recharge shield. Tracer above us.
Tracer
Low,
top.
Zen
Yeah.
half, Zen half.
I see.
Go for the Zen.
Heals. Only the Hawk should really
Are they
turn around
just-
for the Tracer. She
Okay.
just distracting us and so
And Moira, yeah.
Yeah, Moira.
Sombra? Where's Sombra? Sombra's up top.
Above. I'm getting melted.
Alright.
I'm not. Yes, I am.
Diva
Yes,
out
I
of
am.
mech.
Holy-
Any heals?
Good monkey now.
I got Tracer. Dead.
Nice.
Shield up.
Monkey behind. Monkey
I'm
left.
shattered.
Back left of point. Fine.
Push him
Help
up.
me,
push
help me,
him
help
up,
me,
push
help me,
him
help me. Fuck, I hate Sora.
up.
Salver left side on me.
Nice pick.
Can you speed me back, maybe? Or if you can.
Why can't you shatter a mech until it's like starts moving after like a few seconds?
Oh, XD.
That's the dumbest shit. You should get shattered in a mech if you're in a mech.
Yeah, I've always thought that was dumb.
I literally just found out that was a thing. So I never tried to shatter
It's
it.
like how you can't flashbang immediately. The mech.
Yeah, that's also dumb.
That's broken, dude. Even needs that nerf. It's a piece.
Once they die, I'm gonna death lock. Oh.
Kill Summer,
Oh.
kill Summer, she's one. Now monkey in the
I
back.
can't see it
I
away.
didn't have bubble.
I got stuck.
I'm dead.
Oh my god.
No.
You guys
Oh,
are
fuck.
throwing a lot of ults for no reason.
Oh, I got 2 picks on their DPS, and I thought I could have killed.
That grab
Like the
was
Lucio was,
horrible.
Yeah,
the
that
Lucio was one.
that grab.
The
He
moment
popped
I
that
killed
ult.
monkey ult was questionable too. Like, why did you? Not the monkey ult, the Reaper ult.
Because I was in the middle of 3 of them.
Your hot tank was dead.
Stop
Or
the payload.
one of your healers is dead too.
I think
Hold close. Hold close.
she's there up top. She has bomb.
That she just used it. She stuck me last fight.
Okay, she's 50 to bomb then.
We really should
Sombras.
get someone to contest that.
I got hacked somehow.
Go.
What?
Go
There you go,
Winston
Genji.
or Genji.
I'm not switching off the Ryan here. He's really good.
What's it behind?
Monkey dead.
Oh, nice. Now we push up. Now we push
No,
up.
it broke.
I'm
I
charging.
don't have bubble.
Somber
Okay,
behind
bubble
hacked
two
me.
seconds.
Tracer looking for bomb.
She's gone.
Tracer's still behind.
Yeah.
I hooked her.
Nice.
Holy shit.
That was good hook.
Thanks, King.
Summer behind.
Summer.
Oh,
It's teleported away.
I'm looking for shatter here.
Oh, you're really far. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it until I walk in.
Does Summer have EMP?
Probably. She's
maybe.
gonna be close.
I'll
Yeah,
call
she
lessons
should
when
be
you
on.
I'm
shatter.
looking for shatter. I'm looking for shatter. Melt bubble. Melt bubble. Heal me. Heal me. I'm looking for it.
Oh, I gotta hide.
Tracer
behind,
left side.
monkey behind.
Tracer left side.
Heals. 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 Back up a bit.
Is it no recall?
Contest front line. Contest front line. Contest front line. No shield. Get monkey
Monkey,
in the back.
monkey no jump, monkey no jump.
Just behind the cover.
Ooh, no
Tracer's still
both
behind
bombs.
us.
No, 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 she dead. She dead. She dead.
I have Death Blossom.
Summer right side
Oh,
alone.
I hate.
Zen 2. will be
Damn.
I just popped off.
Okay, so she wasted pulse because she died at the same time.
nice. I have grab.
I have
She's
Blossom.
probably pissed.
Did they EMP that fight?
I don't know.
She
No,
won.
no, no.
yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna charge here. I'm gonna charge from side to side. Just weld me as I land.
Okay. Well, we gotta push up. We gotta push up a little bit then.
Push up a little bit. Push up a little bit. Oh, she knows. She has EMP. She's going for EMP. She's going for EMP.
Yup.
Get
I'm
the tanks.
dead.
Get the tanks. Divas one. Divas one. Nice shatter. Okay, another monkey. Another monkey.
I'm
I've
running.
shattered, I've
Oh,
shattered.
there we go.
I'm shattering soon. Keep me up. Shatter. Shatter. Shatter.
I'm gonna go Tracer. No. No, I'm not.
Summer one.
I'm gonna grab cart. I'm gonna grab cart.
Monkey one on cart. Monkey one on cart.
Eva?
Tracer behind us.
Huge.
Did we
Way
get
too
grab?
healed.
Should you use bomb?
Yeah.
Fuck
You're
you,
too
Tracer.
far.
You broken
Yeah.
fucking hero. I almost have shatter again. I'm at 80.
Yeah, fair.
Oh my.
Bitch, suck my fucking
Get
cock.
destroyed.
I'm
Watch
charging
for
here.
fair.
Seconds remaining.
I'm gonna charge and then shatter, okay? Just get rid of bubble.
I can
Nice hook.
Never mind, not now. That was a good pick.
Fair. She's low. She's half.
Yeah.
With the candy.
I can
right?
try to hook her. Ready?
You're being dope, whoever's alone there.
Me.
Heal Reaper, heal Reaper.
That was my fault. That was my fault.
Dude,
I'm
you
switching. I'm
went
gonna
so
switch. Yeah, I'm switching to Kree.
Tracer behind us.
I'm gonna call lessons.
Okay, I have shatter,
Tracer
I'm
one.
looking for it.
A recall.
Oh, Tracer no recall.
30 seconds remaining.
God,
Back up.
I'm on
you
my
guys
way.
backed up a little too much.
Oh no.
Died, just died. We can recontest this shatter, okay? We win this shatter. Let's regroup.
Not gonna do that. XD.
Oh, they're holding close.
They're top high ground.
Just an
Noriko?
Noriko? Okay.
Only one of them is on cart. Only Zen's on cart.
Fair
Okay,
barrage.
I got
I'm
stuck,
gonna-
heal me!
Switching to
Heal
soldier.
me, please!
Zen on cart. Nice.
Oh my god.
I'll
Heal,
take it,
heal,
I'll
heal,
take it.
heal, Tracer on me, Tracer, go Tracer!
Oh, I'm really low. I'll call assist.
Why am I doing?
Where's Farah? Farah above,
Zen
Farah
one back
above.
left.
Far low, far low. Actually.
Get monkey, monkey discorded.
Do I need to grab cart?
Just right side.
Maybe. It's
Yeah.
fast
Just
left.
one card.
Back a car, there's a
Back
mercy
of car.
there.
Behind car.
Nice.
Easy.
Nice.
Alright,
Okay, I gotta go.
you do.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What were you waiting
was
for?
really
This was
fun.
really the last fight. Don't wait to grab.
Yeah, you did good.
No,
Dude,
fuck,
you waited.
killed me.
Way too long. The last. Wait, we're talking about this very last fight?
Oh.
Yeah, like it wasn't
I don't know why
overtime.
you didn't grab the Zen
I didn't
first in the back when I called grab
And
back
also,